Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, this is Jeffro here, Jeffro with Jeffro Services. Um, so today I'm bringing a new video to you guys. Um, this is basically regarding Task Manager. Um, I will, from a couple other videos that I've made, I I'll show you guys how to open up Task Manager. You can open Task Manager through Control Delete, or those are shortcuts, by the way. Um, Control Delete or uh, Control Shift Escape. Okay, but today's video is really about how to use Task Manager to kill a frozen app in Windows. Okay, so what that means, it means that if you working on your computer and you feel like the browser is glitching, browser is acting up, it's frozen, or you're working on a spreadsheet and it's frozen, and you just need to close it and reopen it. The best way to do so, you can just close the application, um, but if you want to close it completely so the application doesn't run on the background, you can go ahead and do so in Task Manager. And today, this is gonna be my um, demo for you guys today. Okay, so if you are looking at my screen right now, um, I am going to show you there is another way to open up Task Manager. If you are on your computer and you don't use any shortcut, you can basically go to your taskbar and open up Task Manager. Today, I'm just gonna go ahead and open Task Manager from the taskbar. So if any of you guys um, not too sure how to open up Task Manager using the shortcuts, I have a couple videos on this channel, so you guys can go ahead and take a look at those videos, and the video will actually show you how to do so. Okay, but today I will go ahead and show you how to do it from the task bar. So if you are looking at my cursor, I'm just gonna go to the taskbar. The taskbar is this gray bar at the bottom here. All you do is right click on it, then there is Task Manager there for you. Okay, and then there it is. This is the Task Manager open up for you. So um, all you have to do, you just need to go ahead and find the frozen app. Okay, so you look under processes, this tab right here, look under processes, and then you can scroll until you find the app that's not responding, or if you feel like one of the apps is using high memory or high CPU, you can end the task from there. Okay, so basically, these are the apps that I have open right now on my computer, and I will go ahead and close one of them for you. Hypothetically, let's say Microsoft Teams is acting up, it's frozen. All you have to do, you select it. Again, guys, you have to perform this task under processes. You click on processes. Let's say when you open up Task Manager, and then it was by default under performance, you will not be seeing the apps. You need to click on processes there, okay? And then from here, these are the tasks. These are the apps, and you just need to go ahead and look for the one that you need to kill, okay? So for now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and select Microsoft Teams, okay? And real quick, guys, if you are looking here, so it shows you how many times this one app is running. So basically, if I extend this, you can see here. Okay, so um, just go ahead there, you select this, and then you go in the upper right hand corner, there is end task. You click this, and then the window is gone. Okay, once you click end task, that's how you close that. Okay, and then the frozen app should now close immediately. Okay, so sometimes it take a second, but if it doesn't close immediately, just give it a few seconds and the issue go away. If not, try it again. But I'm pretty sure you don't have to give it two tries. Um, just one time should do it. Okay. So that was pretty quick. That was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you feel like this was helpful to you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I will be making sure to bring you more IT tips on this channel. Okay, thank you. Have a good